In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your software stack in ClickUp. Whether you're managing a rapidly growing team or just trying to keep everything in one place, organizing your software tools can significantly enhance productivity. Let's dive in and simplify your ClickUp workspace together. First, you'll want to navigate to your space within ClickUp. Your space acts as the foundation for all your project management tasks, so it's important to start here. Think of it like a digital office where all your projects are housed. Once you're in your desired space, let's move on to the next step. You'll notice a plus sign, typically located near where you manage your lists and folders. Go ahead and click that. This plus sign is your gateway to creating new tasks, lists, or folders. Essentially, it's the button that allows you to expand your organizational toolkit. Clicking this will lead us to something very useful. What you'll want to do next is to click on templates. Templates are a fantastic way to start structuring your projects quickly and efficiently, since they provide a predefined structure that saves you time. They can significantly streamline the setup process by giving you a ready-made framework that can be adjusted as per your requirements. In the template menu, you'll want to focus on checking the boxes that apply to your current needs. These checkboxes represent different templates or aspects that can be included in your project. You can select multiple items that aid in customizing your software stack to suit your unique organizational style. Once you've checked the necessary boxes, type the word software into the search or selection field. Typing in software helps to narrow down the wide range of templates to those specifically tailored for software management workflows. This step saves you time by filtering out unrelated templates, honing in on the most relevant options for managing your stack. After locating the precise template that fits your needs, you will select it. Selecting the template sets it apart as the one you'll be working with, establishing the backbone of your organizational setup moving forward. It's like choosing the blueprint for how you want your software stack structured within ClickUp. With your template selected, look for the Use Template button and click on it. This action will import the template into your workspace, effectively creating a tailored environment where you can begin managing your tools and tasks immediately. This step translates your chosen template from a mere idea into a functional component of your ClickUp space. Lastly, take a moment to choose the exact location where this template should reside within your space. Selecting the location ensures everything is accessible where you need it, preventing any future mix-ups. And there you have it. Click on Use Template one final time to confirm your selection and finalize the setup. You're all set to start navigating and organizing your software stack efficiently within ClickUp. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing!